The Citroën C4 Picasso II from 2013 to 2018 uses a standard cable-operated hood release system. An interior lever connects to a latch under the hood via a cable. The mechanism includes a mechanical latch that secures the hood. Pulling the lever disengages this latch. Key components are the hood latch assembly, handle, and cable. Always follow safety precautions before operating. The hood release lever is typically found under the driver's side dashboard, near the footwell or steering column. Look for a lever marked with a hood or bonnet symbol. Its exact placement may vary slightly depending on the model year, but it's generally within easy reach of the driver's seat. Make sure to locate the lever before attempting to open the hood. To unlock the hood, first locate the release lever in the driver footwell, typically to the left of the pedals. Firmly pull the release lever towards you. You should hear a click or pop sound indicating the primary latch has disengaged. If you don't hear a sound, try pulling the lever again, ensuring it's a full and deliberate motion. If it's still stuck, it may need lubrication, which will be covered later. After releasing the primary latch with the interior lever, go to the front of the vehicle. Locate the secondary latch, usually found under the front edge of the hood, near the grille. It's often marked with a hood icon. Press or slide the latch while simultaneously lifting the hood slightly. This disengages the final safety catch. Once the secondary latch is released, lift the hood carefully. Locate the hood prop rod, usually attached to the hood or the engine bay. Insert the prop rod into the designated slot on the hood to keep it open. Always ensure the hood is securely propped open before working under it to prevent accidental closure and potential injury. If the hood release lever feels difficult to pull or the hood won't open, the cable might be corroded or misaligned. First, locate the release lever under the dashboard on the driver's side. Apply WD-40 or similar lubricant to the cable where it enters the hood latch. Also spray at the lever mechanism under the dashboard. Let it penetrate for a few minutes. Then try pulling the lever again to open the hood. Safety is paramount when working on your vehicle's hood. Always ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the engine off and keys removed before attempting to open the hood. Wear gloves to protect yourself from contact with hot engine components that could cause burns. Double-check that the hood is securely propped open before working underneath it to prevent it from closing unexpectedly. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions and diagrams tailored to your Citroën C4 Picasso II model. If you're uncomfortable performing this task yourself, seek assistance from a qualified mechanic to ensure safety and proper execution.